Hey there, it's Jason Sweezy here from 1 Hour Forex, and today is December the 1st, 2011. Getting very close to that Christmas holidays, huh? Okay, so anyway, let's take a look at the setups here. So, I'm looking again at the Interbank FX platform now. Okay, I'm going to show all you guys that you can have the exact same thing as Think Forex on the Interbank platform. And you don't have to trade at the Interbank FX. You can use whatever platform you use, but just for the sake of, because it's critical times, to make certain that you have the right data in the right place, okay? So you have to have the correct starting time, which is 0 GMT. So, there's a few people who have gotten refunds again already saying, oh, I'm not using 2 or 3 different platforms, blah, blah, blah. It's no big deal to look at one chart. You find the setup and basically, you can use pending orders for your trades, and set up the pending order on your platform that you trade live with. It's no big deal. But some people, they're just looking for any excuse in the book to get their $77 back, I guess. Anyway, okay, so let's look at the trades here. So, here was our opening candle, which is right here, okay? This is 2 o'clock in the morning, right here, okay? So, basically, what it did, let me change the color on that. Let's make that blue. And let's thicken up the line. Okay. Maybe I should make it black. Actually, let's put this line on here so we know which one it is. There we go. Okay. Okay, so basically, right here, okay, 2 o'clock. It opened up, okay. Let's put a line here and make sure this is exactly what it did. Okay. Let's change that to black as well. And we'll thicken that one up. Okay. Okay, so there we go. Let's go to the 15-minute now. Take the auto scroll off. And we'll go here. Okay, here's the open, okay, of the 2 o'clock candle. Right here. Okay, so it opened up, it came down, then it went up to this point and sold off. Okay, then would have turned red. Okay, so first it turned red, then it turned blue. Okay, so that's interesting. Let's go back here now. This one. So it opened up, turned red, then turned blue. And there was no trade on this candle then. Let's go back and look at it again. I want to make sure I'm doing this right so no one can say, hey, it did this or it did that first, okay? So anyway, here's the 2 o'clock open candle right here. It opened up. It looks like it could have went lower, then went higher and closed here. Then went up to here and then came back down. So because it turned red again after selling off of this resistance, doing a buy fake, it turned red in the last 15 minutes of the candle. So there was no trade here, okay, at 2 o'clock in the morning. So let's go back to the chart, to the 1 hour. Okay, there was no trade on this here, okay. Then we had this one, okay. Now this one, we'll put the line on there, okay. We'll put our entry right there, which we bounced basically off of here. Okay, so we bounced off this here support here, okay, and the pivot, okay. Let's put our line back. Let's go to the 15 again and make sure that it was doing what we wanted it to do when we took the trade. Okay, so here's the candle right here of the open, 8 o'clock, which is 3 o'clock, or 3 o'clock in the morning, right here. Okay? So it basically opened up, went up a little bit, came down, then came back up, okay? And then, yeah, this was not a trade either, because when it turned blue, okay, on the candle, and I'll put the line there, I'm sure it was somewhere around right there. No, it was even higher, see? It was right there. So let's go look at that again. Sorry, this is taking a while here, but we want to make certain. Yeah. See, when it turned blue, okay, and then it went up higher and closer, it was in the last 15 minutes. There was no trade on this as well, okay? So, sorry to say, there was no trade there. So there was no trade on this candle at 2 o'clock, and there was no trade on the 3 o'clock candle either. Now, on the 4 o'clock candle, which is 9 o'clock, it opened up, came down, and went back up. Once it got like 1 pip above 34.50, you could have took this long right up to 35. And I'm pretty sure that trade was a trade. Okay, so let's go look again to make certain so nobody can say, hey, it did this, that, and the other thing. Okay, here's the open of the candle right here. Okay, 9 o'clock GMT, this little red candle. Okay, let's move this over now. Okay, it opened up here. Okay, it came down, went up, closed lower. Then on the second candle, okay, it came up and turned blue right here. So our entry would have been right here, okay? 1 pip above 34.50 because we wanted to get it to get above this critical area because there was only about 7 pips from there to there, okay? I hope I'm not confusing people here. But anyway, so you would have got long right here at about 34.51, okay? You got 49 pips out of this, or 48 or 45, guaranteed right here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen? There was no trade on the 2 hours before that, but you got a 49 pipper right here, okay? And that was the end of it. There's only 3 candles in the UK session that you look to trade. So then, here is the US session, okay, right here. It opened up, it rallied up to R1, came back down, and your sell would have been right there, but I don't think that was a trade either because I think the time was near the end when that happened. Okay, here's the open. It rallied up, came back down, it would have turned red. Oh no, actually it was a trade. Okay, it got triggered at 8:30 in the morning. Okay, so when you got short right here, all that you could have got out of that trade, maximum was 10 pips. You would have closed with about 3-4 pips profit on that first trade. Okay, and then here there was no trade, and then there was a trade on this one. This is our 10 o'clock candle. It opened up, it ran up with the news. Okay, almost touch R1 again. Basically a double top. Okay. Came back down and turned red right there. So you would have sold right there, okay, at 34.81. So you had about 22 pips in your pocket, and then it closed back up and closed with 10 pips, okay? I just had someone email me saying that they took 22 pips out of this trade right here. So I said, congrats, because I did the exact same trade. The entry was at about 10:30. And I got about 18 pips. So he got about 3 pips more than me out of it. Hooray, hooray, hooray for this guy. Anyway, so that's it for today. So that's the 2 trades. There was only 2 trades. There was a 49 pip winner here, and there was, depending if you took it, you know, near the low here, you could have gotten 20 pips. But you definitely close with 10 pips. So there's 60 pips today. Okay, so thanks for watching the trade setups today. And I just want to, oh yeah, that's right, there's a quick note I want to tell you. Tomorrow is non-farm payroll. And there will be no video tomorrow because you do not want to trade anything on non-farm payroll because it's a big news day event. And anything and everything can happen on a news day, and probably does twice. So you could be long, it could just whip right back down and screw you. You could be short, it could whip right back up and kill you. You don't want to trade on this day. So I don't send setups on non-farm payroll. Okay? And also I want to make a quick note, even though I never mentioned this in my manual, it is mentioned in my other two manuals, Forex Pipsnagger and Forex U-Turn, that you'll see that in the next few weeks, volume is going to get very thin. Christmas is coming, okay? So I usually stop trading about a week before Christmas. So about mid-December till January, there will be 2 weeks there. I won't be sending setups for this system or for Pipsnagger or for U-Turn because it's Christmas holidays. And you don't want to trade at that time. You want to take time off and you want to spend it with your family and have fun and eat lots of turkey and ham and open up all those presents and have fun. So anyway, I just wanted to say those things to you today so you're well aware that there won't be setups from about December 14th on. Let me see the actual date here. So we're in December. No. Actually, I'll do them right up to the 16th of December. So there'll be 2 weeks off from the 16th to the 2nd of January. Okay, fair enough. So anyway, now it's finally coming down to our target, which we wanted it to do here, but it didn't do it. It had to retrace and go back up and then come back down again. But anyway, if you did hold on to this trade, okay, move your stop to break even or something, it didn't take you out, and you're about to hit your target, which is about 31 pips. Okay, so thanks for watching, and we'll see you on Monday.